Assalamualaikum class 3. Hope you all are doing well. Those students who have submitted their homework, I will appreciate you all. First of all, clap for yourself for taking daily online lectures and doing your work on time. So open your books, let's move towards our lecture. Page number 13. We have 4 digits numbers and their place value. How we can find the place value? प्लेस वैल्यू हम ऐसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं जहाँ पे हमारे पास वैल्यू के ऊपर या तो सर्कल लगा होता है या उस डिजिट को बोल्ड किया होता है. तो हम उसको काउंट करते हैं 1 टेंस करके और फिर जब हम देखते हैं कि वो किस प्लेस वैल्यू पे आ रहा है तो हम वो लिखते हैं. हमारे पास 4 डिजिट में क्या आ जाते हैं? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. हमारे पास 4 डिजिट्स में क्या क्या आते हैं? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. एंड 5 डिजिट नंबर में हमारे पास क्या आता है? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. So let's move towards the questions. So open your page number 14. Here they have given us a question that we have to draw beads in the abacus and write the value of the circle digits. So in 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So how many ones are given? 6. How many beads or pearls we will draw in ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 10s, 0, 100, 0, 1000, 9. How many beads? 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the ring digits is 9,000. So how we will write in words? NINE 9, THOUSAND 1000. So you have to write solve rest of the following by yourself on book. So we have question number 2. Write the value of the circle digit. Same हम लोग देखेंगे कि कहाँ पे वो डिजिट आ रहा है और उसका हम लिखेंगे. 1s, 10s. हमारे पास 9s किस में आ रहा है? 10s में. तो हाउ वी विल राइट इट? 9 10s. और हम इसको एक और फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. वी विल राइट 9 एंड देन वी विल राइट 0 बिकॉज 9 0 99 के हमारे पास किस में आ रहा है? 10s में आ रहा है. तो हमारे पास 10s में कौन कौन सी वैल्यू होती है? 10s वाली सारी, जैसे कि 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. ओके. सो रेस्ट of the following are in your homework. You have to write them all on your book. Then we have page number 15. In page number 15 we have 4 digits number and 5 digits number. We have to write those in the expand form. As I have told you how to write the expand form, let's us discuss it again. Then you have to solve the rest of the following in your homework. So 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. 6 is written in the at the place of 1000. So how many 0 we will put in front of 6? 3. How many? 3. So 6 will come in the box of 1000. For your convenience, write 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Very good. On the box. So now it will become easy for you all to write it in the box. So these are 4 digits number. So we will start from 1000. 6,839. Now the F part is 5 digit number. 30 is at the place of 30th. 30th, 1000, 4,904. 0 0. So rest of the part are in your homework. You have to write it all. So page number 16. At page number 16 we have the expand form and we have to write those in numbers. So expand form को हम लोगों ने numbers में ले जा रहे हैं. जो हमारे पास ज़ीरोज़ होते हैं हम उनको ख़त्म कर देते हैं और हम 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 में ले जाते हैं. उसकी सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में ले जाते हैं. So we have 1 2 3 4 4 digit number and 1 2 3 4 5 digit number. One has been done for us. 7 3 1 6. 1s, 10s, 100,000. 1s, 10s, 100,000. Then we have 7, 9, 2, 6, 1. 7, 9, 2, 6, 1. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So, next is what's come after, before, in between. We know before mean पहले, after mean बाद में, between mean दरमियान में. So these are the questions that you have to done in your homework. Hope you have understand the lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.